Okay guys, so this is the second part of your packet, the same one that we were looking at for the video one. It has this picture in the front. And we are going to turn to page 217, and it should look like this. And I want you guys to just follow along with me. When there's guided practice, you guys need to pause the video and try to solve yourselves, and then we will check your answers. Here we go. Collecting and tabulating data. Lesson objective: collect, organize, and tabulate data. Collect and tabulate data. Sean wants to find how students in his class get to school. And to do this, he can collect the data by using one of the three methods. Method 1, carrying out observations. Sean can stand at the school door in the morning to observe how his classmates arrive at school. Method 2, conducting surveys through interviews. Sean can interview his classmates to find out how they get to school. Method 3, conducting surveys using a questionnaire. Sean can prepare a questionnaire for his classmates to complete, such as the one below, such as this. He could do a questionnaire and ask whether children walk, bike, bus, or car to school. Next page, next page. Okay, here we go. Sean uses a tally chart to record the results of his survey, and then he counts tally marks to find how many students use each form of transportation. For example, how many students walk? There would be 8. And then they just bring the frequency on over here as a number. Bus, 13. Bike, 4. And car, 5. 8 of Sean's classmates walk to school. Agreed. The most common form of transportation is by bus. Most common. Agreed. The least common form of transportation is by bicycle. Yes, I would agree. Sean collected data from 30 classmates altogether, excluding himself. So that would be all of these numbers added up, should be 30 total classmates. And then over here it says frequency refers to how often a piece of data, such as an item or a number, occurs. Guided practice. Complete. Use the data in the table. Emma used a questionnaire to find out the number of brothers or sisters her classmates have in their families. Then she used a tally chart to record what she had found. Number 1, copy and complete the table by counting the tally marks. Okay, so how many students had 0 brothers or sisters? 3. So you just should have written a 3 there. How many students had 1 brother or sister? 9. How many students had 2 brothers or sisters? 7. And 3 brothers or sisters? There were 5. And 4 brothers or sisters? There were 2. How many students had 5 or more brothers or sisters? 1. So far, so good. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just move that up and place this on top so we can, I want you guys to maybe pause the video here, answer these questions, and then we will come back together and see how you did. Okay, here we go. Number 2, more of Emma's classmates have blank brother or sister than any other number. Which one is the most frequent? I would say that is the 9 students, so it would be 1. Blank of Emma's classmates have 3 brothers or sisters in their family. How many students have 3 brothers or sisters? 5. Blank of Emma's classmates have 4 brothers or sisters in their families. I would say 2. How many more of Emma's classmates have 2 brothers or sisters? Two brothers or sisters than 5 or more brothers or sisters in their family. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and circle our 2 brothers or sisters and our 5 or more. All right. And so we need a difference, guys. We're going to take the 7 students. We're going to subtract this student. What is their difference? 6. Emma has blank classmates altogether. How are you going to solve that? We need to know total students. You could count the tallies. You could also just add these numbers together, correct? So we have 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 7 is 19, plus 5 is 24, plus 2 is 26, plus 1 is 27. Okay, how'd you do? You do not have to do this part on the bottom. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to email me. I am right here just for you. Let me know how you do. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.